How to change background in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to replace the background of your photo, first of all open the PhotoRoom application on your device and sign in. Once you're logged into PhotoRoom, go ahead and tap on Start from a photo at the bottom. Now choose any photo from your device's camera roll. After selecting, the background from your chosen photo will be deleted. Now, you'll be taken to this page over here. Here, you can go ahead and select from the suggested edits to change the background. You can also create a new background by going and typing in the Edit with AI text box. Go ahead and describe what kind of a background you want. You can go ahead and write down your prompt and click on send or the arrow button at the bottom right. And now it'll ask you to take a subscription if you've not yet. Choose the subscription plan according to your preference. Firstly, choose the subscription type and then the yearly or weekly plan and tap continue. Make sure to purchase the plan in order to change the background depending upon the prompt that you've typed in. Another way to change the background is simply choose one of the backgrounds that has been displayed in the suggestion list. And right after you do that, you have successfully changed your background. You can then save your changes by tapping save at the bottom and image will then be saved to your device's camera roll. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.